And all of a sudden, this becomes a project that everybody is excited about. We found out that with a minimum of 5 good beehives, one farmer can actually be pulled out of poverty just by keeping 5 beehives. In this area, a beehive is as an average of yielding about 5 kilograms on the lower side or 15 kilograms on the upper side. The amazing thing is with beekeeping is that you don't need a big farm. Even if you have just a small house you have a tree, you can hang your beehives there. How is it going to work? ICFM works with the villages, and we have lots of village groups, but now we are focusing on model ones that are in clusters, calling it a local transformation unit, that we may be able to supply 5 beehives to a farmer, and in one village we want to provide to 5 farmers, so that it's going to be 25 beehives. Our needy farmers are going to have some income.